Lost our keys and our looks and our friends. We made the spells with our toes in the So did everyone enjoy Amber? That's the first time I've heard them and it was amazing. We had to apologise on behalf of Faro, who was going to be supporting. She wasn't well today, but I think you got a very equal, if not preferable to some people's taste, who knows, support.
Any of Carrie's friends in?
No, she's amazing. And if you get the chance, go see her at some point. But yeah, you got Amber and they were awesome, so I think they'll probably hang around to say hello after. This is called Safe Hands. No, it's not. It's called Same Mistakes. They both start with S. Let's see what I did.
Panic there.